My name is Jonas Muddock. I'm the Operations Manager at Mumme Tools. Mumme Tools produces a large range of products. We produce over 500 SKUs. These go into the industrial sector, into mining, and into all sorts of different industries as well. Here in the South Australian facility, we employ 21 craftspeople who handcraft and hand manufacture all of our tools. What makes Mumme Tools products unique is the fact that our tools are handcrafted by craftspeople who really do care about the product. They make a top quality product, it's made of the right materials, heat treated correctly, and is made fit for use so it's more safe for the end user. As an Australian manufacturer, it is really important for us to be able to keep Australian jobs here for, firstly, our direct employees. Secondly, working with a number of local suppliers, we're able to support them and their employees and their families. Another aspect of manufacturing in Australia is the ability to retain the skill that has been built up here locally for over the last couple of hundred years. This ensures that we can retain manufacturing in Australia and are able to pass these skills on for future generations. I'm really proud to work for an Australian manufacturer that employs Australian workers and produces quality Australian tools. And that's why here at Mumme Tools, we're proud to be Australian made.